Hey everybody, welcome back to Everyday Barbecue. My name is Mike. Today we're going to do the McDonald's Copycat Sausage McMuffin with no egg, but we're going to use some premium breakfast sausage sent out by Matador Meats. I want to thank them for sending this out. So let's go ahead and get started right now. So what I have here is 6 of these breakfast sausages that were sent out to me by Matador Meats. Again, I want to thank them for providing meat for the show for occasional episodes. I'm not getting paid to tell you that. I'm just sharing it with you because it's premium products. Anyway, we're going to go after the McDonald's Copycat Sausage McMuffin with no egg, but the one exception, we are going to use this premium breakfast sausage. So very simple. We're going to get out to the Camp Chef griddle. We're going to cook up these sausages. I've got 2 English muffins here. We're only going to make 2 sandwiches. The kids are going to eat the other 4 sausages with eggs or something. One of the tricks that McDonald's uses is they put a little butter on the inside of the English muffin right before they toast it. So that's what I've done. So this is a simple sandwich to build. You're going to have the bottom of the English muffin, obviously toasted. A slice of American cheese goes right on top of that bottom bun. Then we put the breakfast sausage on top, crown it with that top part of the English muffin, and we're ready to eat. So let's get outside, let's cook this up, and see how good it is. All right, let's get these sausages on. These have been on for just a couple minutes now, so we're gonna give them a couple more minutes and then we're gonna give them a turn. All right, give these a turn. A nice sear on there, very nice. All right, these sausages are done. We're gonna go ahead and get a little toast on these English muffins. All right, we got a nice toast on these. Let's go ahead and build one of these bad boys. So we start with our slice of American cheese. And now our sausage patty. And then our beautiful top of this English muffin. I'm going to slide this over. Let's go ahead and do our other one. So our American cheese. That sausage patty. I want to stress how good these sausage patties smell. There are so many spices and herbs in here that it's absolutely incredible. So I do want to thank Matador for sending that out once again. Now here's our beautiful top to that English muffin with some butter, nice toast. Just crown that right there. Now there's nothing left to do but take these inside and give them a taste. It's nice to be back inside where it's warm. So here is my version of the McDonald's Sausage McMuffin with no egg sandwich. Again, made this with high-end sausage, so there is a little difference, but the taste of these is going to be out of this world good. There's nothing left to do but to give this a taste test. Ready? Here we go. Cheers, everyone. Man, I can taste all those herbs and spices and seasonings. I'm not usually big on showing you my bite, but you have to see all the seasonings that are in this sausage. This is exactly how McDonald's does it. There's really not a lot of tricks other than putting that butter on that muffin before you toast it. So anyway, that's it. I'm impressed with that Camp Chef griddle. Definitely going to be doing more and more cooks on there, so you stay tuned for that. And I'm giving myself a fair chance with it to do some cooks and some videos before I do a full review on that versus the Blackstone. When I do, I'm going to be totally honest and candid. I can already tell you from doing a few cooks on it and from having the Blackstone as long as I have that there's pros and cons with both. But we're going to get to that in a future video. So that's it for this video. That's it for today. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching the show. And please don't forget to subscribe. Till next time, I'll see you on the next episode. Hey, somebody's stealing my food.